Maghahain naman ng reklamo ang Pilipinas sa bansang China. Kaugnay po ito ng umano'y pagpapaalis sa mga mangingisdang Pilipino ng Chinese fishing vessels sa Baho di Masinloc. Pangulong Aquino, may ginagawa ng pagkilos ang Department of Foreign Affairs ukol dito. Giit pa ng Pangulo, kailangang makunan ng paliwanag ang China sa nasabing usapin.
Pero I'm sure the DFA is already preparing a formal protest. Of course, meron tayong confirmation. And confirmation normally means getting the testimonies of the people involved. No? Para may basis tayo or may sound basis at hindi speculation na the incident happened as described. Now, the first step will be a diplomatic message. No? There are various terms for these diplomatic messages directed at the People's Republic of China to ask them to explain what this incident was all about and what their directions are. Now, may I add na medyo inconsistent rin yung nangyari dyan. We're not sure at this point in time if we can call it their standard operating procedure, no? Kasi as of yesterday, we had fishermen inside the shoal. Inside the shoal who were not being harassed nor intimidated by any entity. So, ayaw naman natin mag-react kung one-off incident to that, they probably will say was acting not under their orders pero out of yung dinesisyon na lang ng kapitan ng particular boat na yan. But be that as it may, I think it is proper for us to ask them exactly what this incident was all about, what their intentions are. And the DFA and the DND, after conferring and after getting the necessary proof, has been, I'm sure is already drafting the appropriate communications.